Let me show you all of the touch gestures available for Honor Earbuds X8. So first of all, we need to open a case and grab both of our earbuds, as the same gestures apply to left and right one. So now when we have our earbud, we can find a touch panel in this area. Let it focus right here. And you need to tap or hold depending on which gesture you want to use. So the first one, if you double tap and you're in the call, you can answer or end that call. If you're listening to the music and double tap, then you can play or pause that music. And if you don't use anything, then if you double tap, it will call out your Google Assistant. And keep in mind, to make them work, you need to wear the earbuds, otherwise they won't work. Then the next gesture is triple tap, so you need to tap 3 times like this. And then you can play next or previous track, or skip or go to the previous song. And finally, if we long press, we can reject the call if there's a call incoming. And that would be everything.